on our airplane. This is our players, obviously.
That's enough now.
Oh, Mark Terminator doesn't want me to talk, huh?
Wow, this guy is beautiful. Huh? He has the drip. He has the drip. He has the drip for sure. This man.
Look, Mark Terminator, he has to eat, huh?
Who is eating?
Big man has to eat. The big man has to eat. Bishop, the man. Some photos for the young kids. Ahmad.
Nice.
Jim is back. Jim is back. Chongi was always training. Real well done.
I'll be just down there. If you want to pan down there, Bruno, that's where I'll be sleeping, mate.
Tom will be here.
Down at H's feet down there. Like,
Yeah.
fast asleep.
A Portuguese language.
What's up, fellas?
The series guys, movies, everything. Facundo Pellisti is back too, and he will enjoy with us the trip to Thailand. Here we have Matej, the big man of the goal, the goalie. Here we have Luke the Shaw, and Don the Big.
Portuguese mafia.
This is
Hey, you have a new job now, no?
yeah, this is the only job that I can do. That's why they give it to me. Look at David De Gea, the goalkeeper, 11 years at the club, legend. This is Fred Red. He's here. He's drinking a lot. He needs to drink.
Yeah, a lot.
He has to run. This man has to run for us. Look who's back. Anthony Martial is back. You will be back scoring goals.
Give me some assists.
I will for sure, my friend.
Thank you, my G.
You know that.